Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming your role and authority to request a head change in Ebeis. Gather required documents including the appointment letter, resignation, and identification. Scan each document to PDF at 300 dpi and keep file sizes under 2 MB. Ensure the appointment letter includes full name, NRIC, effective date, and signature. Contact your district education office to verify any local approval forms. Log into Ebeis with your official account once documents are ready. Navigate to the Personnel Management section after logging into Ebeis. Select the School Leadership tab to access head change functions. Click New School Head Change and enter the outgoing and incoming names. Fill required fields: NRIC, phone, email, start date, and position code. Upload PDFs using the Attach Documents button and label each file clearly. Choose the effective date, typically the first working day after appointment. Review all entries, then click Submit Change for district review. You will receive an on-screen confirmation number. District officers review your submission and verify attached documents within 7 working days. They may return the request for corrections or request scanned originals. Once approved, Ebeis updates the school head record and sets the change as active. Update payroll and attendance systems with the new head's NRIC and start date. Download the approval letter from Ebeis and share it with the school community. If issues persist, contact the district help desk with the confirmation number provided. Keep a printed copy for your files and archive the PDFs in school records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.